Hello everyone, I'm Greg Larson, and I'm going to be talking about Trimble SiteVision version 3. SiteVision's been out for a couple of years, but basically it's a system that integrates a lot of Trimble GNSS and modeling data into augmented reality. So basically you can view this stuff outdoors in real time. It works through Trimble Connect. There's various formats that it supports, so I'm not going to get into all of them, but main thing is that you need the SiteVision app and a Trimble Connect account. And the hardware brings it all together. There's two main versions. There's an Android system, which consists of a Catalyst antenna, Trimble Catalyst antenna, your own AR core capable phone, and then a custom bracket with an EDM. And of course, the SiteVision and Trimble Connect apps running on that. And then new for this year, there is a Windows version, which runs on the new Trimble data collectors, along with the Trimble R12i and SPS 986. The tilt technology in the R12i and the SPS 96 allows the data collectors to utilize some of the AR features in SiteVision. And now for a quick SiteVision user interface demo. The data that you're seeing in the demonstration here is like a lot of line data that we've collected over the years, back of curb, gutter, edge of pavement. I even drew in a new driveway that you can see right there. But we just wanted a lot of data that, look, the red line is an underground utility. Here we've got our parking lot surface that we created from data we've collected over the years, and we can zoom or toggle between the augmented reality and the surface data we've constructed. But the goal of the video here today is to show you the collected data versus the actual data on the ground. There's a couple of mistakes here and there. You can kind of see one on the lines there. But as we move around the data, if it's done correctly and everything's set up correctly in Trimble Connect, should align with the data that's on the ground and the augmented reality. As you move, you will see it kind of jump around a bit, but that is normal as the sensors catch up with the movement. Okay, here is the SiteVision main user interface. We've got up on the left here, if we click on the satellite status, we can look at our position and our last correction. Below that is the orientation. We tap there. Next thing below that is a view distance slider. We can toggle the distances that we're seeing, so we don't need to see data far off into the distance here. Same thing with the cross section down here. I can slide away that. Oh, we'll come all the way back and get our curve there. We have a transparency slider, so we can look at our augmented reality and reality. And over next to that is a 3D or 2D view. So as we walk around, we can look at our parking lot surface and our parking lot lines, switch between 2D and then the augmented reality 3D view. At the top here is a layer manager. We can turn off everything. We can turn on things one by one. So, and parking space points, and then our utility over there. Down on the lower left here is the main menu. Now let's take a look at some of the things that we can do as we're walking around. So here's our parking space. And what we have now is a pit view. So I'm just gonna tap and hold on it. And we can increase the depth, we can increase the width and the depth. And we can do half round, so I can see all the way. And there you can see the underground utility there. Can take shots with augmented reality. So I could take a shot over there, and that is, we got some positional data there. And I need to take maybe, the other thing I can do is change this to GNSS, and I can take a shot. And now we've got to give it a name. This is 100. And there we go. If I back up, you can actually see where I created this point. So it was right there. So we can do some point creation. Other things that we can do. Tap and hold. We can do a cut fill. Do a ground to new driveway, so I got to cut that. Pole height 6.56, cut fill. So those are just a few of the things that we can do with Trimble SiteVision. I think this technology is going to grow as we figure out more uses for it. So the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, everybody.